This is one of 13 mini-lectures in the Know Your Vitamins series. These audio-based presentations let you listen and learn anytime. Each episode covers what a vitamin does, where to find it, and why it matters. Don't forget to grab your free PDF fact sheet, link in the pinned comments. Let's begin. Let's talk about vitamin E, one of the most powerful antioxidants your body needs. It plays a crucial role in protecting your cells, supporting your immune system, and even keeping your skin and hair healthy. Despite its importance, many people don't get enough vitamin E from their diets, and deficiency can lead to weakness, vision problems, and a weakened immune system. So, what exactly does vitamin E do? Where can you get it? And how much do you really need? Let's break it down. What vitamin E does. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant, which means it protects your body from oxidative stress. Every day, your body produces free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. Vitamin E neutralizes these free radicals, reducing damage and keeping your body running smoothly. Here are the key benefits of vitamin E: protects your cells, it prevents oxidative damage that can lead to chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. Supports your immune system, it helps fight infections and keeps your immune system strong. Keeps your skin and hair healthy, vitamin E moisturizes your skin, reduces inflammation, and protects against UV damage. It's also found in many anti-aging skincare products. Improves eye health, studies suggest vitamin E may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. Supports brain function, it may help protect against cognitive decline and diseases like Alzheimer's. Helps prevent blood clots, it supports healthy circulation by reducing platelet stickiness, which lowers the risk of blood clots and strokes. Without enough vitamin E, you might experience muscle weakness, vision problems, poor immune function, or nerve damage. Long-term deficiency is linked to serious neurological and cardiovascular issues. How much vitamin E do you need? The recommended daily value, DV, for vitamin E is, adults, both men and women 15 mg per day, pregnant women 15 mg per day, breastfeeding women 19 mg per day, children 1 to 18 years 6 to 11 mg per day, depending on age. Unlike some other vitamins, vitamin E is not produced by the body, so you need to get it from food or supplements. Best food sources of vitamin E. Vitamin E is found in a variety of plant-based foods, especially oils, nuts, and seeds. Here are some of the best sources. Nuts and seeds, per 100 grams. Sunflower seeds, 35 mg, 233% DV. Almonds, 25.6 mg, 171% DV, hazelnuts, 15 mg, 100% DV, pine nuts, 9.3 mg, 62% DV. Vegetable oils, per tablespoon. Wheat germ oil, 20 mg, 133% DV, sunflower oil, 5.6 mg, 37% DV, and olive oil, 1.9 mg, 13% DV. Vegetables and fruits, per 100 grams. Spinach, 2 mg, 13% DV. Swiss chard, 1.9 mg, 13% DV. Avocado, 2.1 mg, 14% DV, and butternut squash, 1.3 mg, 9% DV. Animal sources. While vitamin E is mostly found in plant-based foods, small amounts are present in salmon, 2.8 mg, 19% DV, trout, 2.5 mg, 17% DV, egg yolks, 1.1 mg, 7% DV, and butter, 2.3 mg, 15% DV. Cooking methods matter. Vitamin E is sensitive to heat, light, and air, so raw foods and cold-pressed oils are the best sources. Vitamins and minerals that help vitamin E work. Vitamin E works best when combined with other nutrients that enhance its absorption and function. Vitamin C regenerates vitamin E after it neutralizes free radicals, keeping it active longer. Found in citrus fruits, bell peppers, and strawberries. Selenium boosts vitamin E's antioxidant effects. Found in Brazil nuts, seafood, and eggs. Zinc supports immune function and enhances vitamin E's benefits. Found in beef, pumpkin seeds, and chickpeas. Healthy fats. Since vitamin E is fat-soluble, it needs dietary fat to be properly absorbed. Found in olive oil, avocados, and nuts. Can you get too much vitamin E? While vitamin E from food is safe, taking high doses of supplements can be harmful. The upper safe limit for adults is 1,000 mg per day, but most people should not exceed 270 mg unless recommended by a doctor. Too much vitamin E can thin your blood, increasing the risk of bleeding and hemorrhagic stroke. High doses may also interfere with vitamin K, which helps with blood clotting. If you eat a balanced diet rich in nuts, seeds, and healthy oils, you'll likely get enough vitamin E naturally without needing high-dose supplements. So, let's recap. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage. It supports your immune system, brain, heart, skin, and vision. The best sources are nuts, seeds, plant oils, green leafy vegetables, and fatty fish. It works best with vitamin C, selenium, zinc, and healthy fats. Most people get enough from food, but supplements should be taken carefully. By eating a diet rich in vitamin E, you can slow aging, strengthen your immune system, and protect your heart and brain. Thanks for listening, stay healthy and eat your almonds.